What's up, beautiful people? My name's Jake and I'm a teacher here at Escape Campus, and I'm here with
Raffaelle. I'm the CEO of Escape Campus. In the previous video we saw Jake cooking an amazing, beautiful pizza.
typical British Hawaiian pizza, yeah.
The reason why we are cooking pizza today is because we are celebrating the International Pizza Day. And today I will show to Jake how to cook an amazing, proper Italian Margherita pizza. Are you ready, Jake?
Can't wait, I can't wait.
So let's start straight to the ingredients. Some nice flour, chopped tomatoes, warm water, some yeast, some beautiful mozzarella, basil, salt, and then we have some olive oil and pepper. Then we have a teaspoon, a very large size spoon, a pizza cutler, pizza palette, and the scales. You know, a proper pizza chef just use the hands.
Okay.
It's magic. So let's start straight from the most important part, which is the fresh dough. 1 teaspoon in 500 grams, okay? And we mix. Remember, never put the salt in contact with the yeast, because the yeast has enzymes and the salt just killed the enzymes.
Okay.
We go with the water, very warm water. You can use the hands to mix the flour and the water.
Okay, sure. Me?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Just get involved,
Yeah.
Okay.
So we need to push the cooking part. We need some oil. Also, the oil gives kind of, you know, golden touch.
Okay, nice. Yeah.
Okay, go on. And at this part, we add the salt.
Sure.
Okay, you can go. Keep going. Right now, we have to work on the gluten. So Jake, in the spare time, I'm gonna tell you a story.
Okay.
So the first Margherita pizza was made by a chef, Raffaele Esposito, in the 1889.
Okay, Raffaelle, yeah.
Raffaele like me.
Okay.
And the reason why he made this beautiful dish was in honor of the Queen Margherita. That's why the name. And he chose to pick some, you know, the 3 colors of the Italian flag, which are the green of the basil, the white of the mozzarella, and the red of the tomato. That's why 3 simple ingredients that represent the Italian flag.
Okay. Interesting, I never knew that before.
So we are gonna use the same bowl that you worked before, has to rest at least 24 hours.
Right, okay.
So, tomato. Remember, never cooked the tomato.
Okay.
Okay? We are gonna add some oil,
Olive oil? Nice, okay.
a touch of pepper, just a bit, because I don't want to, you know, I just want to feel the flour of the tomato, and salt.
Sure, okay.
We are gonna work the tomato with the hands.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not gonna juice them, I'm not gonna blend them. We're gonna work with the hands because we want to keep the flour of the tomatoes.
Okay.
Okay?
Hand model.
So in the meantime, I will chop the mozzarella.
Okay.
So, tomato ready, mozzarella strips ready. Let's go now for the dough.
Okay.
So I prepared the dough 24 hours ago because the dough needs to rest. So I made this yesterday night, so it has 24-hour rest. So what we are going to do is to prepare a bowl, a pizza bowl, 200 grams weight. That's perfect. So we want to keep the hair inside.
Okay.
So that's why I'm gonna work just with the hands. And this is very simple. We do like this, the base is ready. As you can see, we have the board.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So I'm gonna put some flour and I'm gonna work on the pizza pala. Okay. Spoon of tomato. Spoon of tomato.
Lovely. So using fresh tomato, not tomato puree.
Not tomato puree. Just fresh tomato. And you know, we just had a touch of mozzarella. We don't want a mozzarella plate. Okay. We want a pizza. Now, straight into the oven. So, pizza is ready. Here is my version of Margherita. So guys, hope you liked my version of the pizza Margherita. If you liked the video, please subscribe on the button below.
And comment saying what video you think we should do next.
Shall we taste?
Of course, let's dig
try.
in.
Good.
So good.